Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Squarespace for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is download the Squarespace app on your device, head over to Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar, type in Squarespace, hit Squarespace, and then hit install to install Squarespace on your device. Once you've installed it, you can simply head over to the app drawer, and then look for Squarespace and open Squarespace on your device. Here you can either hit login or get started. As we do not have an account, simply hit get started, to which you'll be able to see the different designs over here and website templates. If you want to log in, simply hit login, after which you'll be redirected to your mobile browser, in which you can enter your email address along with your password if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, simply hit create account at the top right of your screen. You can continue with Google or continue with email. For now, we're going to be hitting continue with email. Now you must enter your details like your first name, your last name, your email address along with your password, and then hit continue and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you're logged into the web browser, you'll also be logged into your Squarespace on your device. For that, you can simply start browsing templates and creating templates. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.